Hello, this is Joe Shreb here at Mazda Fort Walton Beach. Just want to introduce you to one of our many pre-owned vehicles, like this 2015 Nissan Armada. Vehicle's got very low miles on it, 36,800. It comes with the 5.6 8-cylinder. Very clean car inside and out. This particular vehicle has the keyless entry. You have the 12-speaker XM, FM, Sirius radio CD player. Many of the safety features, ABS brakes, four-wheel disc drive. Spotless inside and out. Some of the standard safety features is the rear backup camera. Lift gate with plenty of storage room when you let the seats down. But again, this vehicle is in beautiful condition, priced right to sell here at Mazda Fort Walton Beach. Well, basically you have all the room that you can possibly have and storage. You have your bigger alloy wheels, makes it a more smoother ride in the cabin. Dual intrusion beams, stop side impact, step bar, chromed out side safety breakaway mirrors on it, beautiful luggage rack. Just a very beautiful pre-owned vehicle we have here. So if you'd like to check this beautiful battery out, just come see me, Joe Shreb, here at Mazda Fort Walton Beach. Be happy to serve you. Thank you so much for the opportunity.